kind of make it simple, try to create something in like 2 or 3 steps.
This trip to New York City has really allowed me to be a sponge. Everybody in the industry nowadays tells you to soak up every moment and be a sponge, and I feel like we've gotten great advice. The site visits that we've been able to go on have impacted my experience within the retail industry by allowing me to immerse myself in being curious about innovation, as well as just expanding my knowledge and information.
From this moment and created an entire it's kind of like the mecca for tourists.
I think that the site visits were so helpful for getting to make some connections with really powerful industry partners, hear from them and hear how their career path has progressed, and getting us some of that really valuable advice, like always saying yes to new opportunities and always being open to trying new things.
I think what's really resonating with me the most is just being able to hear everybody's career path, sort of just given me direction on what I could potentially be doing and how I could get to where they are now.
Visit at Ralph Lauren, where they really showed me kind of the level of excellency they're looking for, and they're looking for the best of the best.
The NRF conference really embodies what it means to network as a young professional. Being involved in NRF and being on this trip has allowed me to meet and network with so many individuals, huge companies.
Meeting with Solom, Ralph Lauren, Apple, Dior, just getting those hands-on connections and face-to-face connections with people can make a world of difference for when you are starting your career in the next few years.
The opportunities that I've had here and with the site visits that the University of South Carolina have set up have helped me see what the industry is going to look like as I enter as a young professional and what it could look like for me to reach my final career goals.